Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Ari. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we are on day 6 of our RAIN series based on Tara Brach's book, Radical Compassion. I'll remind you that the acronym RAIN stands for Recognize What's Happening, Allow life to be just as it is. Investigate with kind attention and nurture with loving presence. So, as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Notice your breath without trying to control it. Observe how your breath flows in and out of your body, and how your body responds to your breath. Now, bring to mind something that you find yourself obsessing about, worrying. Maybe you're anxious about some outcomes. Visualize the situation in detail, and even more importantly, feel how it manifests in your body. Where do you feel it the strongest? Does it change your breath? We're going to go through the rain practice on the situation right now. In trusting your difficulties to a larger universe. This practice is called handing it over. So take some moments to recognize what's happening and allow any experience of anxiety or fear to be as big as they need to be. Don't try to change anything, don't try to come up with any solution. Just allow life to be just as it is in this moment. It's okay to be anxious. It's okay to be obsessing. It's okay to worry. Now start investigating with kind attention what it is you're believing. So what bad thing do you think is going to happen? What makes you anxious or worried or scared? Where does this belief stay in your body? Is it your belly, your heart, your throat, maybe some other area? Kind attention, not trying to change anything, simply investigating. What am I believing right now about the situation? What is the worst part of it? What bad thing is going to happen? What am I anxious about? Why am I worried? And as you deepen your investigation more and more, directly contact the felt senses in your body. and see if you can just relax into them, however unpleasant they are. It's only for a few moments. And now for the nurture part of the rain practice. Bring to mind some benevolent entity or formless being, some energy, maybe God, spirit, higher intelligence of the universe, Jesus, Buddha, nature itself. Whatever you sense as wise, compassionate, and all embracing. And imagine taking the full weight, the full mass of this fear, anxiousness, worry that you've been carrying and hand it over to this higher entity, offering it into this larger field, this vaster being. It's no longer your job to worry or to carry this alone. You have support. Your small ego self is not in charge. Let your fears and worries be held in the hands of something larger. Again, visualize and sense this process of handing over. Maybe even enact it physically, raising both hands towards the sky, lowering your head, or just opening your arms forward, whatever works for you. And see if you can sense how you're feeling after that. How do you feel when you're not holding the weight of this burden alone? When you've handed it over to something bigger than you, something that always here, kind, caring, protective, the support of the universe itself. What is this moment like for you? Again, contact the felt sense. Maybe you've relaxed. Maybe you feel more at ease. And if that's the case, rest in this easeful space. If you want to, you can also ask this entity that you've handed your worries over to if it has some kind, loving message for you. Receive it with an open heart. Bring your hands on your heart. Feel the support of the universe around you, and feel your own support through your hands. And silently or out loud repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My mind is working. My heart is beating. So right now, I'm okay. I don't have to carry anything alone. I always have support. I am loved, protected, cared for. All is well in my world. As you go through your day today, whenever you find yourself obsessing about something, frantically trying to find a solution to a problem, or just being anxious about some situation, pause and do a short rain practice of recognizing what's happening, allowing whatever it is to be just as it is, without trying to solve, without trying to run away. Investigate it with kind and open attention, and nurture yourself with the loving presence, reminding yourself that you are never alone and you can always hand over your problems, your worries, your fears to something larger than you. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.